Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. On this video here I'm going to show you how to add Avalanche network to your MetaMask. Super easy and simple. So this here you'll find a link in the description where you can copy and paste these here to your MetaMask. And let's go to here. So we can of course type it in here, but if you go back to here, as you can see, it will disappear. So we need to go to MetaMask and go to these three dots and click expand view, then go to here and custom RPC, and here we are. Now we have the option to go from here and copy and paste. And here we are, then click save, and here it is. Alright, so now every time that you want to access your Avalanche network, just go to here and you'll find it in here. And if you want to go back to your other networks like Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain, you just click on them and you'll go back to whatever network that you want to use. Okay, so this is it. I hope you liked this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like for more content like this, and thank you for watching.